If you are a Flutter or mobile app developer, you probably wondered how some developers make money consistently without constantly searching for new clients. The answer is simple. They build apps once and sell them multiple times. In this video, I'll show you how you can start earning money by selling your own apps and source code instead of relying only on freelancing. First, let's talk about what you can sell. You don't need to build the next Facebook or Instagram. Simple apps that solve real problems are always in demand. You can sell business apps, POS systems, expense trackers, chat apps, e-commerce apps, booking apps, admin panels, UI kits, templates, starter projects, or complete source codes. The next question is where to sell them. You can use platforms like CodeCanyon, Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, your own website, or even your YouTube channel. The more places you showcase your work, the more chances you have to get customers. Now, let's discuss pricing. Don't sell your app based only on the time you spend building it. Price it based on the value it provides. If your app saves someone weeks of development time, they'll happily pay for it. You can also offer multiple pricing plans, such as a basic source code package, a premium version with updates, or a complete package with documentation and support. But simply uploading your app isn't enough. You need to market it. Create YouTube videos, post app demos on social media, write articles, and build a simple landing page. The more people who see your product, the more sales you will generate. One mistake many developers make is trying to build the perfect app before launching. Don't wait for perfection. Release your app, collect feedback, improve it, and keep updating it over time. Finally, remember this. Selling apps is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building digital products that can generate income again and again. Every new app you create becomes another opportunity to earn money. I hope this video helps you understand how to start your app selling journey. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.